Okay, dear students, we're going to practice the sounds and blendings. Ah, ah. I'm sorry. Ah, b, b, d, d, e, e, g, g, e, j, j, mm, o, o, k, s, s, t, t, o, v, v, w, w, x, x, y, y, z, z. Okay, very good. Now the blendings are here. First we have a. Remember the hat. A, e, o. Remember, it's not u, it's o. Ba, be, bi, bo, da, de, di, do, fa, fe, fi, fo, ga, ge, gi, go, ha, he, hi, ho, ja, je, ji, jo, ka, ke, ki, ko, la, le, li, lo, ma, me, mi, mo, na, ne, ni, no, qua, que, qui, quo, ra, re, ri, ro, sa, se, si, so, ta, te, ti, to, va, ve, vi, vo, wa, we, wi, wo, ya, ye, yi, yo, za, ze, zi, zo. Okay, very good. And then we're going to practice some blendings. A blending is the combination of a vowel and a consonant. So here I have got some blendings. For example, at. Let's add consonant, vowel, consonant. It is at, cat, with the sound hat, and you can see the picture in Google of a hat. Yes, that is a hat. Now the next one is ag. For example, with b, bag. The next one is tag. And you can go to Google to see what is a tag. A tag. It's in Ripley and Falabella. You see tags on clothes. The next one is e. For example, n with pen. I remember to see the picture. Pen, and remember that then you can see pencil. pencil, but it is a pen. Okay, next. N, N, hen, and hen is this one. Clock, clock. Hen. Okay, next. Ed, ed, and we add the b. We have got bed, bed, bed. Now with t, we have got 10, 10. Oh, here it's with ed, right? Sorry. Ted, Ted. Okay, and next with E. For example, we have got this combination. It's X, X, and here we have the sound fix, 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 fix. Google, fix a table. Fix is basically to repair a table. For example, fix a car, fix a car, to repair a car. Or fix a chair, fix a chair, to repair a chair. With six, six, six. Now we have E and G. The result is egg, egg, egg. For example, with B, big, big, big. The next one is fig, fig. Remember that a fig is a fruit. Fig. We have got yummy figs. Figs. Okay, fig. The next one is O. For example, we have O and G. Og, og. We have with F and og, we have got fog, fog, fog. With L, log, log. We have here we have got two consonants. Frog, frog, frog. And remember, a frog eats another animal. Frog, a happy frog. Okay, the next one, O and T, ot, ot, and let's add the sound. Hot, 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 and the D sound is dot, dot, dot. Okay, let's see, for example, dot, dot. Okay, a dot is a circle, dots, a red circle, a red dot, a black dot, yellow dots, blue dots. Finally, we have got the A sound. We have got here A and B. So we have got ab, ab, ab. With k, cub, cub, cub. And remember that a cub is a baby. For example, a cow wolf. It's a baby wolf. Very cute. Yes. Sleepy wolf cub. Wolf cub. A baby wolf. Cub. Next. Tub. 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 Next. Up. Up. Rub. Rub. For example, rub your hands. For example, rub your hands. Okay, you wash your hands and then you rub your hands. Yes, palm to palm, rub your hands. Okay, finally we have got us, us, us with b. It is b, us, b, us, bus, bus. And you can see the vocabulary here using Google. Bus, bus. Okay, practice everyday practice. Okay, you can repeat the video and then we can practice